If you still think you need to be on camera for every single piece of content to grow on social, you're severely underestimating what's happening right now. The real goldmine isn't always a new face or a perfectly staged shoot. It's what you do with the footage you already have. Long-form videos are sitting on hard drives collecting dust, and this tool quietly turns those hour-long recordings into an endless stream of scroll-stopping clips. People who get this early are basically turning their back catalog into a content factory that works 24/7. When I first discovered this solution, I wasted money on a ton of half-baked tools that promised instant virality and delivered absolutely nothing. But once I found a platform that actually understands what creators need, not just flashy features, everything changed. So in this video, I'm going to walk you from zero to running a full-on clip empire using this method. We'll cover how to take a single long video and turn it into dozens or even hundreds of optimized short clips. Then we'll look at scheduling them automatically and managing everything without hiring editors or babysitting a content calendar. First, what even is this core concept? Think of it as an AI editor plus a content manager built specifically for creators. It does three big things really well. It auto-edits viral clips from your long videos. Second, it auto-schedules those clips across all your platforms so you don't have to manually post them ever again. And third, it gives you a content calendar to plan, tweak, and publish everything right there in one unified place. But it's more than just those three features. It's the way those pieces work together to let you scale without losing your unique voice. Let me give you a picture of how incredibly powerful this whole system actually is. Imagine you host a weekly podcast, a long live stream, or you record a few deep dive tutorials every month. Normally, turning one of those into social content means hours of scrubbing, clipping, captioning, and reformatting for different aspect ratios. Then you have to manually post across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn. You absolutely get the tediousness. With this tool, you simply upload the long video, pick a few settings, and the AI finds the moments that are most likely to perform well. It specifically looks for the punchy one-liners, the emotional beats, the genuine aha moments, and the micro-stories hidden inside. You can be as hands-off or as hands-on as you like with the resulting output. Want fully automated clips? Just set the clip length, platform presets, and then you can simply go do something else. Or if you want to curate and tweak every single piece, use the suggestions as a starting point, edit lightly, and then hit publish. The main point is that this slashes the time and cost to produce high-quality content by orders of magnitude. Real quick story. A friend of mine who runs a niche education channel used to spend 2 full days every single week just on editing. After switching, he bulk processed 2 months worth of live streams in one single afternoon and came away with 150 ready-to-post clips. He scheduled them across platforms and had a steady drip of content for weeks. His views and follower growth doubled in a couple of months without filming new footage. Okay, let's walk through the exact workflow so you can picture doing this yourself, starting right now. First, you log in, and your dashboard immediately shows your projects, recent uploads, and that content calendar. You create a new project and simply upload your long video, whether it's a webinar, a podcast, or a course module. The system then analyzes the audio and visuals and surfaces suggested clips, highlighting strong hooks and emotional spikes. Next, you'll want to check the auto-edit viral clips settings, which is the brain of the operation. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you're aiming for, 15 to 30-second quick hooks for TikTok, or 45 to 60-second cuts for Reels. You can even set tone preferences like funny or educational keywords to prioritize, and even ban specific words or topics if needed. Vizard then generates a full batch of suggested clips, each coming with automatically generated captions and suggested vertical crops. One feature people really sleep on is the platform presets, which know how to crop differently for TikTok versus Instagram versus Shorts, automatically. It also auto-detects faces and important on-screen action so the crop doesn't awkwardly cut off someone's head or a crucial visual. That small detail makes every single clip feel native and immediately polished to the platform's standard. After the auto-edit, you have total control to scrub through suggestions, tweak the on-screen text, or add a custom call to action. For those selling courses or promoting an app, this is where you insert a quick overlay with a discount code or a short end card. Now here's the part that turns this entire process into passive, sustainable scale: the auto-schedule feature. Instead of exporting and manually posting, you simply set your posting frequency and the system queues the clips into your calendar automatically. You tell it the publishing times and platform priority, and it staggers the posts to maximize your reach across the board. So that 150 clips my friend made, he set the system to post 3 times per day across platforms for a whole month without lifting a finger. The content calendar is the ultimate control center where you can see everything scheduled, published, or sitting in draft. You can easily drag and drop to reschedule, swap a clip in or out, or instantly pause an entire campaign if you need to. If a clip is underperforming, you can even A/B test a different thumbnail or a variation directly from that central calendar view. Compare this to the old workflow of one spreadsheet, a bunch of exports, and a separate scheduler. It is truly night and day. Let's talk about why this method outperforms the alternatives on the market. Manual editing is painfully slow and inconsistent. You can burn hours just trying to get one good short clip out. Many other AI tools promise generation but lack good clip selection logic or force you into awkward templates that don't match your actual voice. Some platforms charge you per clip or plaster watermarks on your exports, unless you pay a premium price, which adds up fast. This solution stands out because it nails the hardest part: finding those moments worth posting and making them instantly platform ready. The integrated scheduling and calendar features let you treat content like a repeatable engine, not just a one-off project you have to restart every week. Another practical example: an app team I talked to was spending thousands hiring creators to film dozens of daily clips just to drive app installs. With this system, they repurposed their existing demo videos and customer testimonials into dozens of short, effective ads, segmented by audience. Within weeks, they had multiple ad variants running simultaneously, letting them iterate incredibly fast and cut their acquisition costs significantly. If you want to go deeper with the quality, the system also gives you lightweight editing tools like trimming, merging, and custom speed ramping. You can also add branded intros, customized outro cards, and save templates for captions, fonts, and thumbnail styles for total brand consistency. A few quick tips for getting the absolute best results from your automated clips: start with clean audio and decent lighting. Keep the initial hook very tight, because 3 to 7 seconds is usually the sweet spot to stop someone from instantly scrolling past. Use the AI suggestions as a solid base, but never be afraid to remix them by changing the thumbnail or tweaking the on-screen text. Remember to test different audiences, because what performs great for one group might totally flop with another. And this system makes that testing easy. Honestly, once you factor in the sheer time saved and the ability to post consistently, this system quickly pays for itself. Instead of paying an editor per clip or hiring multiple creators, you get one system that turns existing content into evergreen output. If you're an agency or you manage client channels, this becomes a massive revenue multiplier by managing multiple accounts from a single login. Now, this is not some magic wand. If your original long video is genuinely boring, the clips that come out will also be boring. The best practice is to record with reusability in mind. Leave natural pauses and verbally highlight your key takeaways in the moment. To wrap up, you no longer need to be chained to a camera or a studio just to win on social media today. With this workflow, you can turn one long recording into a pipeline of polished, platform-optimized clips and automate the entire posting process. This drastically lowers the cost and time to publish while giving you the kind of consistency that all social platforms truly reward. If you want to try this, start by picking just one long video you already have: a webinar, a podcast, or a good old live stream. Upload it, let the system surface 20 to 30 suggested clips, review and tweak just a handful, and schedule them for the next month. Measure what performs well, then immediately double down on those exact types of moments in your next upload. You'll be genuinely surprised how fast your channel feed starts to feel alive with content you already created. So yeah, next time someone tells you you need to be on camera for every video, just tell them you've got a backlog of content working for you instead. Turn those slow hours of raw footage into hundreds of powerful shorts, automate the entire grind, and let the content do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks for watching. Try repurposing something you've already recorded and see how much content you can squeeze out in a single afternoon. You will absolutely thank me later when your analytics start looking incredible.